What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Penile Tactics. Unfortunately, today, the chosen one is not so chosen, and you know, he's obviously making me film an episode for him, and today we will be going over his R34, and we will be installing some new parts. But for the most part, I will be showcasing the things we're installing and some of the little things that is going on in the shop, and I hope you guys enjoy. Obviously Mark is a piece of shit, but hey man, you know, that's how the cookies crumble. All right guys, so you know, Mark nonchalantly just brought his car, said it's an easy brake job, but hey, it's the end of the day and we are still working on it. So obviously Mark got these endless brakes and paint matched the custom BBS center caps we did for his LMs, which look freaking amazing. But one thing we had to do was the hats on the rotors, the paint was so thick that the bolts that go through it did not fit. So we did have to do some shaving, hence why there is a bunch of green flakes everywhere. And it is the end of the day and we're still working on it, which is not a big deal. We're still on its first side. And this is how the rotor hats look, which is really epic. This car really reminds me of like Zelda or some shit, and Slimer from Ghostbusters. I don't know, whatever the fuck. But yeah, on to the next day tomorrow, and you guys will definitely see more progress. Mark's a piece of shit, and he can lick my balls. All right, guys, so we are back. I know I started this vlog for Mark's R34. We were gonna do some brakes for it, but fast forward 2 weeks from now, from what happened, 2 weeks, fucking all this bullshit. There was wrong parts ordered. There was all types of shit, but we are back at it on this nice rainy day in California. Obviously, we are working hard and diligently to get things done, but look what we got here. It's the man himself. He has one glove on. He's fucking Michael Jackson, everybody. Look, oh, look. He's doing his oil change.
Fun fact.
Oh.
First car I've ever done an oil change on myself is this.
Yeah.
Fucking took this shit out, took out the front lip, fucking did all this shit by myself. By myself.
Yeah, anyways, well,
with Will's
I would have to say, with
how
Will.
much did you help me? Be honest.
Like 2%.
2%?
I don't know what to say about this guy. But anyways, like I said, 2 weeks later, fast forward. I know I started that vlog. Basically, Mark, the chosen one, gave us the non-chosen brake pads. It's pretty fucked up. So we literally put everything on the car. Literally, normally a brake job takes us 30 minutes to an hour, I'd say. But what happened was the brake pads were incorrect, and it was literally hitting the actual rotor of the front brakes. So the rotor hat, the pads were too thick. So now we're back at it again. We have everything all laid out. Obviously, Mark wants to do an oil change. Fuck it. Look at him. He's about to shove that up someone's ass.
Let me tell you guys the real reason. Fresh Kick smoked me. That's not why. This car never got an oil change done after all the tuning and all that shit. So do an oil change, drain the oil cooler oil, check the spark plugs, and I'm gonna put more boost in this motherfucker. And if I blow it, I don't give a fuck, because I'm gonna build it. I don't care.
So cool, dude. On a freaking 50K Nissan. This is crazy, dude. But anywho's, we're back at it again. Basically what needs to happen now is the rear brakes need to come apart. We were already cutting the dust shield, but looks like we're just gonna have to take the whole damn thing off.
Hey,
and
can you tell everybody that you're gonna remeasure the fronts for the 3 spokes, because you guys have been waiting for that?
So the funny thing is, I did not expect that, because I thought the 3-spoke thing was just fucking said and done, gone, trash. I'm pretty sure I recycled them, but I mean, maybe. We'll see what we could do, but I don't know. You guys tell us if 3-spoke should be on there, or we should just keep his clean LMs.
No, those are beautiful. Those are beautiful.
With no spacers.
Yeah, no, I'm never.
Direct fitment.
Yeah. I'm never selling those. All you 34 guys, you get it from Ron, whatever. I just need
Sack of shit.
I want 18 inch.
Yeah, this guy wants to run his 3 bangers, but we'll see what happens. I mean, whatever. Anywho's, we'll show you guys some more progress. Mark's gonna pretend like he's working on his shit.
It clears, look.
Oh, we got some progress. Will did it. You see? He didn't do shit. It was all Will.
I didn't do the brakes. I just did an oil change.
See?
I was pretty clear on that.
It's good now. It's clear. It looks pretty good too.
Wish you got me some brand new fucking lug nuts.
Dude, SOS did a great job replicating the endless sign here. I know these are stop techs, right?
They replicated the license badge, all the boxes, and everything. It's like
yeah. It's almost like it's real endless, huh? Holy shit. This guy really got it. He's got it good, man.
The best fake shit.
From China, dude. The Temu Endless? Fuck. Damn, look at this shit, guys. Holy shit. How's the consistency? Is it pretty dark?
It was like alien's dick, dude.
Oh yeah, you need that shit. Look at this guy. This guy's got all the suspension components. Little fucking... Got him shit all cambered in.
What do you know about that, dog?
Out of here, dude. You see my shit? My shit is fitted, dog.
So, there's the oil drain. It's not really oil drain, but that's how you drain the fluid for the oil cooler. I have the Nismo one, and it's black, just like Ron's heart. And yeah. Let it drain, let it drain, let it drain in my pussy. Let it drain, let it drain. Nice. Okay, while that's doing it for that forever, check this shit out. Real brakes, not like Ron's like factory wheels and factory shit he says that he has. But the problem with the older brake pads, with the RCP 152s, is that they're 4 millimeters taller. So those specific brake pads were hitting the rotor hat right here. So if you get this brake caliper, and I don't have the racing 6, I have the 6-pot with the 2-piece rotors. You need RCP 052 brake pads to clear the rotor hats, and it just barely clears, but it clears. The reason why I picked the 6-pots instead of the racing 6 or my other monoblocks is because I wanted more clearance for the 3-spokes, and this gives a little bit more clearance than my old brakes that I had, the old endless brakes. So I'm hoping that we can get 4 inches up front of lip. Worst case scenario will be 3.5. The color is like a BRG, British Racing Green variant for the paint. It's paint matched exactly or close to exactly to that green center cap here. So shout out to SOS Customs. I know there's a lot of green shit going on in the car, but it's hard. And can't wait to see what like the wheels and all that shit look like when they're on it. So, oh, by the way, oil relocation filter, I relocated it down right here. I know a lot of people do it up there by the fuse box, but that shit looks ugly as fuck. And I like it over here, just right by the oil drain, just clean. So yeah, so that's where that is.
Relocate these nuts.
You know the hat you're wearing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very close with the singer.
This is actually not a Sublime, dude. This is the independent Porsche shop.
Even worse. Fake.
Up, dude.
Fake shit. Alright guys, the fronts are on. They're not like fully on, but it looks good. And we had to test fit these. Unfortunately, because of the brake size, the factory adapters that come with the Volks don't fit. Luckily, I had some other ones made, so we're gonna have to use those. So it seems like this is gonna be the same fitment. Same fitment setup as the purple one, which is gonna be from my memory. If you guys can go back to the YouTube video and let me know before I go. I'm pretty sure we did 3.5 in the front, 4 in the rear. If that's the case, I'm gonna send these wheels out for finishing, get them all done. I already have the tires, so I really wanna rock these just because I could just tell how hard it's gonna look on this car. And those of you that like it, that's fine, but you'll see when it's finished, it's gonna look hard, so. Another day where I tell Ron to shoot all this stuff while I'm at my office doing work. And another day where I have to come in and save the day and just do it myself. So let's look at the progress. I have to cut the rear dust shield or remove it completely, which involves removing your bearings, and that's a whole lot of work. You can just cut it. So we're cutting it right now on the other side. We're gonna install the brake, take the OEM calipers off, bleed the lines, all that shit, get some nice photos. I already love the way it fucking looks, so call me the Riddler.
I'm assuming someone wants to test fit some shit.
Yes, I do. Do you have a 4-inch fucking barrel?
Oh, look. I got 4 inches for you somewhere.
Yeah, I know you do.
Motherfucker.
So, full disclosure, I'm trying to...
Is that the 4.5 inch lip?
Yeah.
Should have put 3.
Why? What does it matter?
So we'll actually see. I mean, whatever.
No, it doesn't matter. Full disclosure, the wheels fit the brakes but we don't know if the inner fits with the brakes, and I kind of built this whole car around these wheels, so...
No, you did not.
Well, I got...
Oh, that shit is close, dude.
It's not even fucking...
Oh my god. Is it clear?
Yeah.
See, I fucking knew it.
Yeah, it clears just fine. Am I tripping?
Yeah, you should be... I think it's good.
I mean, Will knows better, dude.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like it added any more like, what do you call it?
No, you're good.
Yeah, dude.
It's really close, but you're good.
But, damn, the 4.5 looks hard.
Hey, don't you think you should keep it in a gray look, Will, instead of black?
Well, I don't like the brush dark tint.
Not brushed.
Dark tint, but like a tint, light tint.
I would do brushed and polished lip or black.
Well, Will said it, he's basic, but...
Yeah.
Damn, okay, good. So it clears.
Hey, Brady 7-pack, they come in bunch. I've been with the choir on a high note, getting C notes. Different presentation to this vibe, you need a keynote. Prezi round this motherfucker, I ain't sending vetoes. Ain't no stopping shit or stopping licks, them boys on Geo. Batting out the 504, I saved the name is Creo. Dallas, when I'm on the road, I get to going T.O.
Alright guys, brakes are fully on, they're fully bled. Gonna get some more, we'll put the wheels on it. We already test fitted the 3 bangers. I know the finish I'm going with. I know the sizes, 3.5 and 4 inch lip over there. So those are gonna go out when the car gets on the floor, finish with the wheels on. Get some more footage of the car all cleaned up. Well guys, that's the way the cookie crumbles in today's episode. Those of you guys that said, oh, you need brakes, don't you know that I already got it coming, dude? You guys should know that by now. It just took a long time to get these brakes in from Japan, strip the anodizing from them safely, disassemble them, color them to the color that I want, reassemble them, get the right parts in, putting them on and all that shit. So it took some time, but hope the wait was worth it. It was for me, so hopefully it was for you guys too. Let me know what you guys think about the combo. It looks fire, 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 fire. The 3 bangers are next. So we're gonna get the 3 bangers on, gonna put them on and slam it. Those are 18s. So we're gonna slam it with a meaty setup, and I'll have 2 different setups for this car. So can't wait to show you guys what that is. But if you guys can, hit that subscribe button for your boy. I'm gonna appreciate that, I'm gonna need that, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
rich nigga. Got my scrap from Tommy Hilfiger.